Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair update, hair care routine, that kind of thing. I get questions all the time about what I've been doing to get my hair back to healthy. If you've been watching me for a while, you would have seen my hair kind of progress through different hair colors, highlights, all that kind of thing. I don't think that I gave my hair a break and stopped coloring it or bleaching it from 2012 up until last year. So I have not touched my hair and put any color on it, any bleach on it since February 2019. And now we're March 2020. So I had a year, didn't touch my hair. I just let it regrow, get healthy again. I actually had to cut my hair super short at one point this year because I got a really bad haircut that looked like a child took scissors to my hair. So I actually cut it pretty short. This is probably like the length of it, and it has grown so much. It feels so much thicker. It feels so much healthier. It looks so much healthier. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I have been using and what has been helping. So over the year I tried a bunch of different shampoos and conditioners trying to find something that would help. I used the L'Oreal thickening shampoo for quite a few months. It's the one in the purple bottle. I don't have it on hand anymore because I did stop using it. I don't know if that made such a big difference in my hair. I also ordered the Nioxin shampoo, the peppermint one for hair regrowth, thickening, something like that. Used that for a few months. Didn't really see much of a difference. I found that just not touching it and letting it regrow really did the best for it. And now that it has regrown and I have so much new hair growth, now I'm kind of finding shampoos and conditioners and just different things that are really going to help my hair. So something that I've been using since the summer that I've noticed really helped to kind of spark hair growth was actually using a scalp scrub. So this is from Ouai. This is the scalp and body scrub. I started using this maybe once a week and it really started like scrubbing my scalp, and I don't know what it was, but I think it was something to do with maybe massaging the hair follicle that all of a sudden my hair started growing so much. So that's been a godsend. I love it. It smells so good. It's super gentle. I really like that it's made out of natural ingredients, so all the exfoliating crystals will kind of like melt away, and it's not made out of plastic like a lot of other exfoliants are. So that's been great. My hair's really been loving that. And then I also like to use the Olaplex number 3 repairing treatment once a week on my hair as well. And you guys have seen when I do my high ponytail, low bun, anything like that, I like to use the Olaplex treatment on those days. It's usually on like 3rd or 4th day hair. My hair's starting to get oily. I take a fine tooth comb and I comb the product through my hair, and then I actually leave my hair in a low bun, high ponytail, whatever, and have the product sit in my hair for at least a full day, so like 12 hours, something like that, and then I'll wash it out, and I have seen a huge difference in the rebonding of my hair from that. And then as of recently, I've found a shampoo and conditioner that I absolutely love. The new formulation of the Ouai shampoo and conditioner is incredible. I kid you not, my hair has never looked or felt the same before, ever. So I'm using the one for medium hair. I have medium hair, and I've been using this literally maybe twice a week. I have noticed that my hair goes a lot longer in between washes with this as well. So I can go at least 3 days before my hair even starts to look oily, which is cool, because before my hair would just feel so heavy and oily from day 2, and I did not like that at all. Right now, like, this is 2nd day hair, and my hair still looks like it's freshly washed, freshly blow dried, so smooth, so shiny, so just bouncy, full of volume. I just really love it. And then I actually use 2 different hair brushes as well. So when my hair is wet, I use this flat brush from Dry Bar. I've had this one for years. It's seen better days. And then when I blow dry it, I use this round brush right here. This is by Ion. I don't know any other details about it. It says Magnesium Pro on the handle. This I got from Sally's Beauty a few years ago, and I just use the 2 of these to do my blowout. And then once I'm done blow drying my hair, I use a little bit of the Ouai hair oil. This is a dry hair oil. Just on the ends of my hair, I run my hands through, and I kind of do like one of these as I'm putting the oil through my hair, and then whatever's left over, I'll kind of run on my hands, and then from there I'll run through the roots of my hair because I don't want the top of my hair to look oily. This is definitely the healthiest my hair has ever been for as long as I could remember, so I'm really happy with my current routine, and I hope that it just continues to get healthier. I went from my ponytail being super thin to it kind of being nice and thick again, which is cool. So I'm going to continue with this hair routine, and I'm really happy with it. All the products smell amazing, and that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.